Welcome to roadenvyrv, two full-time RV nomads traveling the country who now find ourselves once again in Las Vegas. Our travel philosophy is to find out what makes each place we visit unique, the why of the place, if you will. We've been here so many times, but this time I think we finally figured it out. Where else within the span of a few miles can you get your taqueria fix, watch a stingray feeding, take an epic hike, go bowling, and go to Bavaria? If you thought this town was only about the casinos, we're going to show you another side of Vegas that you may not know exists. Join us. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We are on the road on our way to Vegas. We're heading up the 95. You know, it is very high wind today and potholes in a single lane, so not the best travel environment.
But yeah, little crazy.
Yeah, you know, we can only go maybe 50 in these winds and
very windy road too.
Windy potholes, so we're going to have people stacked up against us, I mean in the back. It's going to be a pressure kind of a day.
Yeah, we're going to be crossing the border again pretty soon, I think.
We are going, we spent a brief time in California outside of Needles boondocking, and now we are moving into Vegas. We just stopped at a rest area to take a break. You know, in general, we really enjoy travel days. We love being on the road. But sometimes days like today, very high winds, bad roads, single lane highways, and the wind woke us up around 4 in the morning, so we're pretty tired. I think I need another cup of coffee. So here we go. That's the nice thing about having the coffee pot, being in a motorhome on the road. Should I do decaf, less stress? Nah. The wind is just getting worse and worse. So we decided we are going to keep heading north. Supposedly the wind is not so bad. We're fueling up maybe in about 50 miles, I think. 50 miles is our next fuel stop. Supposedly the wind is much less, so we are trudging forth. We're heading into the wind, and hopefully it will be a lot less where we're going. Boy, are we rocking. We have reached our fuel stop. Wayne is outside fueling. Unfortunately, we were hoping the wind would be a little less here. It was projected to be less, but it is still raging. That's okay, we are safe and sound. We've got a couple hours to wait it out here until we can check into our park. We're only 20 miles away, so we will get a few little things done here while we're waiting, and we will see you when we get where we're going. Hello, everyone.
Good morning.
We have landed in Las Vegas. Las Vegas, baby. You know, we are not...
Viva Las Vegas.
We're not gamblers, but we are here to see my niece and her beautiful family, so we do come through Vegas every so often. Today we are off on an adventure. We are going to Red Rock Canyon. We have never been there, so it should be nice. You do need a timed entry, so we have to be there at a certain time, and we will take you along with us. We're looking forward to a nice long hike in nice weather. It's in the low 60s today.
Let's go into the woods.
Yes.
Morning.
Hi. Okay, we are making an exception to our national park property rule. This is such an awesome place here at Red Rock Canyon. It's a national conservation area. It's not run by NPS, it's run by, which is the Department of Interior. This is the Bureau of Land Management. But what a fabulous job they've done here. I had no idea it was out here. We're gonna get this magnet.
That's where we are going up into this morning.
Yeah, we're at Red Rock Canyon, and we always like to stop at the visitor center first, and I'm glad we did. The ranger there recommended this hike, Pine Creek, so it looks absolutely stunning, beautiful, so here we go.
How long is this, Valerie? About 6 miles, you said?
It's out and back. We can make it anything we want. It's between 4 and 6.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Yeah, really, really pretty.
All right, let's hit it. We're 2 miles in.
2 miles in, wow. It's perfect weather and it's just really gorgeous, nice to get out, very quiet. The ranger recommended this hike because he said nobody comes on it. It would be very, a lot of solitude, and he was right.
There's our parking lot way down there.
Highly recommend Red Rock Canyon if you're in the Las Vegas area.
And what a treasure for people who live here in the area.
Yeah, really beautiful.
I'd be up here all the time.
Yeah.
All right, back to camp.
Oh, yeah, we need to take a shower. We're going out to dinner tonight with our niece.
To the Hofbrauhaus.
Yeah. We're going to a German brew house.
Wow.
They have live music. I don't.
MooveKa.
Yeah, and polka. I'm not sure if it's authentic or if it's kind of touristy, a Vegas touristy thing.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
I dare you to do a polka.
I'll dance the polka.
Okay. We'll see how it goes. I'm sure it's going to be good.
Beer barrel polka.
Yeah. Biggest sausage sandwich I have ever seen. It's perfect. We are here at the Clark County Wetlands Park. Our RV park that we're staying in isn't really a great place to walk around, and we really needed to get
Exercise.
We really needed to get our exercise.
Outdoors.
So what I did was just Google Maps where we're staying and look at the map and see what was green, within a close distance, and this came up, and lo and behold, it's got a nature center and a whole big trail system, and it looks beautiful. So
Let's go check it out.
Yeah, we're gonna go check it out.
Well, this is totally unexpected. Out in the middle of the Vegas desert, an oasis. Well, that's a river, Valerie.
It's such a nice surprise to find these little oases in the middle of the desert. I really had no idea. We've been to Vegas so many times.
That was a great walk out in the wilderness.
I really
Wait,
enjoyed
hold
that.
on.
Oh, more?
the wilderness of Las Vegas.
Yes. I really enjoyed that, unexpected, but now it is time to get back to work.
Yeah, back to camp. Got some editing to do so we can get out our next video.
Here we go. It's a little windy today, but we needed to get out of the rig, so we're looking for an indoor activity. And we're doing one of our favorite things.
Bowling!
Bowling, yes. We're very excited to go bowling.
Las Vegas is like the bowling capital.
Yes. But first, we need to get something to eat. So I believe you have to stand in the line of what meat you want.
All right, what do we got here, Valerie?
Well, okay, this is like a taqueria on steroids. I've never seen anything like it. You stand in line under the meat you want, whether it's beef tongue, asada, which is regular beef, or pork. And we got sopes, which is a thick tortilla. You know, everything in Mexican food is basically tortillas and meat, some kind of meat and onion and cilantro and maybe some salsa. So that's what this is. This is a sope, and then you got a couple tacos, and then they gave us some grilled peppers and onions to go with it. And of course you get the lime on the side, and it looks delicious.
Okay, let's dig in.
Good?
Oh, that's really good.
What's the final verdict?
Maybe the best, possibly the best.
It was very, very good. If you are looking for authentic Tijuana street food, this is the place to go. Tacos El Gordo in Vegas. Wow, it was really good. Okay, what's next?
I'd like to go bowling now.
Bowling. Let's go.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn left.
It's a good thing our bowling bag has wheels on it. Because when you bowl at a casino, who knows where the bowling alley is, and you have to walk a long way. We have no idea where we're going, so it's going to be quite a trek. Good thing we have wheels. The search begins. Where is the bowling alley?
Yeah, bowling is always fun.
It was so nice to play on quality lanes. We don't get that too much. Well, no trip to Vegas is complete without a trip to
Bass Pro Shop.
Bass Pro Shops.
Not in the business anymore, but we still like coming.
I know. They have some great aquariums here. We just love it. We're meeting my niece here with her family, and the kids love the aquariums and the mermaids. So that's what we're here to see.
And we might look at some boats.
You may look at some boats.
Yeah, just looking. Here comes the big fish.
Look at the big one.
Sturgeon?
There's Alex.
Famous now.
Yeah.
They're dying. They want to strike dance.
One more great place to see before we exit Las Vegas.
Yeah, we're at the Henderson Bird Watching Preserve.
Who knew?
Who knew? So they're only open till 2. You have to go in this little building and sign in. And I really don't know what to expect. What a tranquil, lovely spot here.
Yeah, it sure is pretty.
There are no dogs or bikes allowed, so that makes it even more quiet. But if you just want to walk, and especially if you are a bird lover, this is for bird viewing. I mean, the name of the park is actually Bird Viewing Preserve. It's the place for you. Really lovely.
Yeah, I bet our friend Bruce would like it here.
Yes, I bet he would. Well, this is our last day in Vegas.
Yep, time to hit the road.
We have been here 7 days. It's just really gone by very quickly.
Yeah, I think for 2 reasons. Number 1, of course, there's a lot to do in Las Vegas in general. But number 2, we discovered things that we've never discovered before.
Yeah, and we didn't even make it to the Strip. I know that's the iconic thing to do in Vegas, but we didn't even have time to get there.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Yeah. Anyway, this is it for us. This wraps up this episode. We so appreciate you joining us. If you would, hit that like button and subscribe, and we will catch you later.
Talk to you soon.
Bye.